Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing whether fractional silver is worth stacking. So let's get straight into the video. Now first of all, I'm going to pour myself a nice glass of whiskey. I've got my decanter here. This is actually a sterling silver topped decanter. So really cool, really fancy, and I brought it just for my videos backdrops as a prop. But yeah, it looks really, really cool. So cheers everyone. Hope you're all having a nice day. Very nice indeed. And let's get straight into the video. Now today's video, like I said, is going to be discussing whether fractional silver is worth stacking. Now in my opinion, and this is only my opinion, and I would be very interested to hear in the comments section what you think of my opinion and whether you agree or disagree. But I personally think that stacking fractional silver is not worth it. Now I'm going to explain some of the reasons why. Now let's start with why I do think stacking fractional gold is worth it. Now I think stacking fractional gold is worth it because although the premiums are very, very high when you're buying 1 gram pieces of gold, the actual overall cost of a gram of gold is between £80 and £100 depending on the brand. So that is already a large amount of capital for someone to be paying out. So when you come to sell your 1 gram pieces of gold, already it is going to be fairly difficult to find someone that is ready to part with £100 straight away on the second-hand market. Now, when it comes to silver, on the other hand, a whole ounce of silver only costs around, let's say, between £30 and £40, depending on where you buy it from and whether you buy it pre-owned or brand new. So a whole ounce of silver is only £30. So for 1 ounce of silver to work its way up to being £100, the same as a 1 gram piece of gold, we still have a long time to go if we're ever going to see that. The most silver ever got to was, I believe, £35 maybe. I can't remember top of my head. And that is in its lifetime. That is ever since we've had silver and we tracked the price of it. So for it to actually go up to £100 an ounce, I think we're looking at God knows how many years, another 100 years, maybe 200 years. I personally don't think it'll ever happen. I can't ever see an ounce of silver being worth £100. So that is why I don't think there's any need to go lower than an ounce of silver, because it's already at a nice price point to easily liquidate. If you was to go anywhere, any second-hand market, let's use Stacker Social Marketplace as an example. If you was to go on Stacker Social Marketplace right now and list this piece of silver for its going rate on the second-hand market, it would get snapped up extremely quickly. Now, if you was to go and list a 1 gram piece of gold on the marketplace, it would take a little bit while longer. It would still probably sell because, like I said, it is a lower price point than any of the other fractional pieces of gold. But it would take a little bit longer. People would do a little bit more research. They wouldn't be willing to take such a risk. So the point I'm trying to make is 1 ounce piece of silver is already extremely liquid. So I don't see the need to actually go any further down than a 1 ounce. Because if you're going down further down the scale, and let's use these 1/10 Britannias as an example, and I don't normally stack things like this, and the only reason I got this was because the Royal Mint messed up, and for those on Stacker Social or watching my videos would have heard about this. These were sold for almost half price, so although I still paid a high premium, I would be able to sell this on if I wanted to and make a profit. But it really doesn't make sense to me to even go down to the 1/10, let alone go down to the 1 gram pieces of silver. Now, yes, is there a little bit of fun? Yes, they're cool to send out as gifts. Yes, it's a great way to introduce people to stacking. If you sent them a 1/10 ounce or a 1 gram piece of silver, it might be enough to trigger their interest and make them go down the rabbit hole and look into this stuff and work out what it is. and it's a cool little gift. But in terms of actually stacking it, I do not see the point. The premiums are extremely high. Silver is never going to rise enough to make it make sense in my eyes. Like I said, with the 1 gram pieces of gold, you can justify buying fractional pieces of gold because although the premiums are very high, you can still sell them for a lot quicker than if you was trying to liquidate a 1 ounce piece of gold on the second-hand market. So I do see a use with fractional pieces of gold. Also, it helps you build up a stack quicker. If your budget only allows you to buy 1 gram pieces of gold or 1/4 ounce pieces of gold or 1/2 ounce pieces of gold, it helps you build a stack a lot quicker. Whereas pretty much every single person can scrape together enough, even if it's one a month, for a whole ounce of silver. So that, in my eyes, completely eliminates any need for fractional pieces of silver. Some people may argue that these will come in really handy if there was a end of the world SHTF situation. They would come in handy for barter. Some people say that if silver was to shoot to the moon, and if these was to go up to, say, 100, 200 pound an ounce, whatever the amount is that you've seen on your latest clickbait title of a YouTube video, then again, people might say, yeah, these are worth getting because silver's going to go up so much that even these fractional pieces are going to be worth a lot of value in the future. But I personally don't see it. My channel here is very realistic. You won't ever see me posting videos unless I'm completely messing around about silver going to the moon. It's just not going to go up that high. Yes, it will go up slowly over time. Yes, I do think, in my honest opinion, this is not financial advice, this is just my opinion, silver is going to be a great investment long term. It's the underdog. It's a lot more undervalued, in my opinion, than gold. I do think these could potentially get up to around about the £50 an ounce within the next 5 to 10 years. I don't think that's unrealistic, but I don't ever see them continuing to go up and up and up. I think if they ever did get to £50 an ounce within the next, like I said, 5 to 10 years, you would see a large pullback to between £30 and £40 an ounce again, and then it would take another few years for it to get back up. I don't see it continuing to go up and up and up to the silly amounts that people on other channels are price predicting. So that is the reason why I don't think stacking fractional silver makes sense. Over here, you could class this as fractional. And if I was going to stack fractional silver, then I have to be honest, this is the only type of fractional silver that I'll be adding to my stack. If it's a fraction of silver that, if added together, equals a 10 ounce Queen's Piece completer bar, then we have a different story. Then I probably would say, yeah, stack this stuff, because these are absolutely brilliant. Love playing around with these. I love sneaking these into videos however I can. I thought, I'm going to film a video about fractional silver. I know what I'll do. I'll sneak my fractional 10 ounce Queen's Piece completer bar in that video. And look at that. Look how nice that looks. That could potentially be today's thumbnail. Absolutely brilliant. But there we go. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think? Do you think fractional silver has a place in your stack? Do you think the premiums are way too high to justify it? Do you disagree or agree with any of the points that I've said in today's video? I would really be interested to hear your thoughts, because it is really a controversial topic, I think, when we talk about stacking fractional silver. There are some people out there that really like stacking fractional. I've seen people that stack 1 gram pieces of silver. They pick them up as they go here and there. I've seen people that really enjoy these 1/10 ounces. They like stacking them. They think the small tubes they come in are really cool, and the miniature monster boxes. But for me, if you divide the amount you spend on these by the ounces that you get, the premiums are ridiculous. They just don't make any sense for me. There's not enough value in each piece to make it make sense either. Like I said, with the 1 gram pieces of gold, there's enough value in a 1 gram piece of gold, even if we're looking at the actual spot price and not the premium. If you look at the spot price of 1 gram of gold, on top of my head, I don't know what it is, but let's say it's, I don't even know, I'm going to take a guess, £65, £60, around that sort of mark. Let's say between 50 and 60, but again, I'm really not too sure what a 1 gram piece of gold is at spot. But even if that was the amount that I've said just then, between like 50 and 60 pounds, there's still a lot of value in a 1 gram piece of gold. Whereas the spot price of silver God knows what a 1 gram piece of silver is. It's literally, it's got to be around about 60p or something. Again, I haven't got a calculator, so let me know in the comment section, those of you that are quicker and better at maths than me. But yeah, there really isn't enough value to make it make sense. The premiums are way too high. It just doesn't add up. I don't understand why people would stack this stuff personally. It's a little bit of fun. Like I said, it is good for giving to people as gifts. You can send it to people in the community as a little bit of fun with a sticker. And I've seen people do that. I've seen people hide it around. I think that's brilliant. I've hidden fractional silver around as well. I think things like that as a way of introducing people to silver as a miniature gift, then yes, it does serve a purpose. But in terms of adding it to a stack and thinking it could be a good investment, then stay away, in my opinion. But like I said, I am open for you to change my mind. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. I'm going to have a quick drink of my whiskey before the ice cube completely melts. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please smash the like button. Please leave a comment. And please share it to someone that stacks fractional silver so they can have their say. As always, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a very nice day.